All right. Can everyone hear me out there? Everything working all right?
From Cairo, this is Ali Phelan with the Future Sun of Egypt.
And we're live, guys. The market is open. Shit. I think we're gonna place a trade right here. Let it come down. That's a huge buy zone. Alright guys, market is open and it is moving. Alright, I think we're gonna try to trade ES today. over and look at NQ real quick. MNQ. Glad I didn't enter right there. I was going to. Alright guys, can you hear me out there? I was having some mic problems earlier. We're a little bit better now. Keep that lower. Alright, we're gonna be trading ES tonight. Fuck, I need to shave, bro. Alright, let's go looking for a trade. How is that even possible? Why? I'm on a fucking MNQ. I'm trying to figure out why. So. Let's see. I mean, NQ looks primed to go up. So let's go check ES. I got wrecked today by ES. Needed to come down just a little bit. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Man, I should have jumped in right there. I mean, on the 15 minutes, she is just going. Down to 27. Have a little bit of PTSD from today. Man, I got destroyed, brutally destroyed. feel like the ES wants to go up. We need to break through right there, and so just one of those, you're risking $312. Holy shit. $312. What the fuck? Well, I'm glad I didn't enter there. Let's see if it bounces off the VWAP. Guys, if you're enjoying the live stream, just make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Helps the channel grow. Shit, hit the wrong fucking button. Damn, the ES is coming back down a little bit. Oh. All right. Let's go. Let's make some fucking money tonight. We did pretty good last night on gold. Today we have been trading ES. Let's look at this 15-minute. Look at that nice green candle. We're right here in that demand zone. So if I can get it to, I wonder if the 15-minute orb works at nighttime. Man, I'm so glad I didn't buy it right there. What up, Cody? How you doing, man? Sorry, I was posting about the NDOG and then remembered. It's all good, man. Appreciate you showing up. How'd your trading go today? I was listening to your live this morning, but I was having a pretty rough day, and so then I just turned off all like volume and just got real quiet in the office. So just needed to focus for a minute, so I didn't really hear a whole lot what was being said. Man, I called a huge drop. I wish I would have heard that, because I kept trying to buy the dip and I just got completely just wrecked. Needless to say, but I was kind of super tired. I mean, I could tell it was going to drop today, but I don't know what planet I was on, but I don't know. I feel like every time I took a short, I was at the bottom, then it came back up to retest, and it just, I was playing with more size this morning, so everything was just off. Yeah, crazy day, man, crazy day. Hey, but today's a new day already, and then we also have tomorrow morning. So if I would have just waited for it to come hit the demand zone, because I made another like 500 bucks on another account, but man, hurting that one account really killed me today. It just ate at me. And I didn't even record any of it at all. No trades here, but nearly took a 100-point trade and was even saying this is about to be a 100+ move. Don't you hate that whenever you just clearly see it and then you don't take the trade? It sucks, man. It sucks. I want to get in on this ES trade. Oh, I was not paying attention right there. I'm on the 15-minute chart. I don't know if we've already came and touched this demand zone. 1, 2, 3. We even swiped it. But I don't know if this thing wants to go even lower. That's what has me right now. Yeah, I gotta get into hitting that button, but man, you've helped me with it. Why? Because I've been hitting the button for you, man? Just I've been hitting the buttons like crazy. Me taking the losses is helping you from not taking the trades. Dude, you have no clue how many times I walked out of my office today. Just fucking pissed. That and just thinking about making the scalper mint. The scalper mint. Dude, I like to scalp, but I don't like to scalp. I'm not really enjoying scalping in this market. At nighttime, it's not bad. Yeah, like see money take money. Yeah, I mean, you almost have to. But this morning, man, if I would have saw that short, I just thought it was gonna like dip and then just start ripping right back up. You have any blown accounts probably happened today because of the same thought process? And like I've said before, I just don't like to short anymore. So I feel like as beat up as I got today, I probably shouldn't just be on ES. I should be on like MES. Hey man, but we're just gonna go for it. If we blow another account or do something like that, it is what it is. Dude, I blew my Take Profit Trader funded account today. I've had that account for like 60 or 70 trading days. It's like 3 months. Because I don't trade on Sundays. I probably should, but I try to enjoy my time on Sundays and just stay away from the charts. The market really does move on Sunday, but that's really good to have that many trades. Yeah, man. After I took it from 2,000 and brought it all the way down to like 400 left, it was almost like self-sabotage that just kicked in. Like this morning, I probably shouldn't have been trading with so much size. Even though I was trading micros, I was trading 5 micros. So it happened really quick. I'm there right now. Dude, and then one account, actually, I hurt that Apex account a little bit. The one I made like $150 in last night. I literally, let me go to the, oh, we are on the 5 minute. Where would that have been? That would have been at like, right at power hour, probably like 250. I placed a trade, and man, it came and hit my stop loss, and then came right back up. If I would have been in that trade and it wouldn't have hit my stop loss, that would have been like $500-600, maybe more. It barely, I mean, it literally hit my stop loss. If I would have moved my stop loss one more point, I would have been good. It's kind of aggravating. So how'd the live go this morning? At around like 3 or 4 o'clock, what was that, 4 o'clock today? I set up the old tripod and was trying to see how I would go live on TikTok. I can't do both. So the tripod has to sit directly in the center, and the way my monitors are, it's just, it just doesn't it doesn't look good. No, because my camera, my webcam is like directly in front of me, sitting at the top of one of my monitors. I'll tell you, it's a lot to keep up with. Oh, I bet. I'm just trying to grow those followers so I can get to 1,000 and I can do both of them real quick. You know, I did see, man, I'm not gonna say the name here. But man, so Mike, I'll just give you a backstory real quick that kind of proves that I know what I'm talking about whenever I see this and what I'm about to say. But like, my kiddo has a pretty big Instagram, and we helped him grow it over the past like 5 or 6 years. And I've seen a lot of like kids' parents in the past just buy their followers, and it does nothing for their account. It actually hurts their account. Dude, I saw a YouTuber that recently like gained some traction, and I looked at his TikTok today, and I can tell that he bought his followers to get to 1,000 followers so he could do lives on there. But he's a YouTuber, but you can tell they're all like fake. And I was like, man, that's some shit. But man, you can tell, like, it's fake. I mean, you could buy them so cheaply. You could buy like 1,000 followers for like $100, and they just inject them. And they're just like Chinese followers with nothing connected to the accounts. Just a picture. I thought about doing that, but I'm going through these live rooms and trying to get all the really engaging people. So explain to me what you're doing. So during my walk last night, my kiddo was with me. We went and walked like 2 or 3 miles, and I had the lives up, and I started like, I think I might have shared like 1 or 2 of them. Is that what you're doing? Is you're just sharing them, or you're liking them, you're commenting inside the chat? Is that what you're doing? And then are you sharing them to your friends on TikTok? Because dude, I've been getting a lot of like, it says messages, and then it's just shared lives. Commenting inside the chat, and people scoop each other up. Well, now I understand what you're saying about the scoop. Well, I guess I'm gonna start doing that. If that's what you've been doing for the past week or 2, that's awesome. It's to grow for creators. I guess I'm gonna have to start doing that, man, because It's a lot. I bet. Usually when I get off the live, I go do my exercise, and then I start trying to like break down. I try to break down the live and create some reels out of it. I'm just typing that in the chat, helps it out. Because I've made some genuine friends, you know. You'll meet some crazies, but I love it. Set up subscriptions today, so we'll see how that goes tomorrow. Not really sure what all that is. Talking about subscriptions like on YouTube or for... I opened up the live today in TikTok and was kind of like going through it and just trying to see it. And hey, dude, I appreciate you getting me up there over that 50 marker. So, does the going live every day on TikTok actually, did that help? Or which one did you see helped more? Going into all the lives or going or and sharing, or was it the live? Yeah, totally. After I got off your live, I worked on getting you them. That's fucking awesome, dude. I appreciate that. So going into lives for sure. Okay, I guess that's how I'm gonna spend my night then. Just gonna chat it up all night. I need to get better about in the earlier part of the day putting something out that I'm going live at 5 o'clock. I was gonna go live at 2, but man, I had to go walk it off today. Oh, and then also I had to, because at first there wasn't that many people, and it helped that I made sure that someone was in there with me that engaged and kept messages coming in and sending the heart memes and gifts. Yeah. Shoot, man, you hanging out in here has helped out with mine a little bit. I really appreciate that. First coming into my lives. Dude, and I woke up late again this morning. It sucked. I'm normally like an early riser, but the past 2 days I've been staying up so late. It's just catching up to me. I have been, even my wife doesn't know about this. Since I sold the restaurants, you know, obviously I've been trading and doing that, and I've been trading for years now. So, but I have been looking, and I've actually been studying to try to get my insurance license. So something I can do from the house. I can trade. I can do sales calls. I can do all that stuff. So I like multiple incomes. And I can work around that schedule of YouTube also and TikTok, so that'd be good. Like adjusting. No, so like selling like policies, not life insurance, but I've looked into the life insurance. Actually, in Texas, you have to get life, health, and what is it, accidental or whatever. And so I can actually work for a few companies, but I have to basically get like 3 licenses. I just started listening to the videos last night, and so that's the reason it kept me up so late. And then you have to take this massive test that takes like 2 or 3 hours. So it's just like I don't know, another thing. I'm so ADD that I bounce around a lot, so. So before I was in the restaurant business, I was in the internet business. I owned Amazon and eBay stores. I did that for like 6 years. And then I owned a few other companies that weren't very big or whatever, but they were fun. So I kind of just bounced around, man, and just tried new industries, tried different things. I'm a quick learner. Pick up on things pretty fast. The only thing that I have not mastered, I'm decent, but I have not mastered, is trading. So, but I've also been breaking my rules. So that is why I am having trouble. And then it's just a shit market. It's not the market that I like. I like when the market is like during, I call it the school year. So that's when people are back at work a lot, not summertime. During the school year, the market is always going sideways and up. It's rarely dumping like it is right now. NQ and ES, statistically proven that the S&P 500 is always going up and sideways. But during the summer, if they all go to all-time highs and then they start coming back down. Shit, man, I've been in the process for 2 years, but I'm fighting off 2 years worth of bad habits. Let's look at gold. Gold was nice last night, man. If I would have held on to that, at least you're fighting. Yep. Hey, man, I'm a fighter. I wouldn't say I would go down with the ship, but I'm definitely gonna fight this market as hard as I can. Actually, you wanna know what the crazy thing is? It's crazy how your intuition tells you things, and then if you don't listen to it, you get completely fucked. This morning when I woke up, I was like, you know what? It's the day after FOMC. The market's probably gonna be all wonky and shit. And I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna trade, but I'm just gonna go look at it. Well, that's where I went wrong. I should have just stayed out of the market. Didn't need to trade. Actually, I could have picked up one trade at 1 o'clock. And before NFP. True. When is NFP? Is that tomorrow? No, I know what it is. When is it? Here we're back down at this demand zone. Sorry, my AC is on and it's hard to hear. Oh, I know, man. Those ACs in there are loud. I had a brand new one like 2 years ago. I had a 2023, like a 32 footer. And it had 2 ACs on it, and that thing was, when it kicked on, it was loud in there. But man, would it freeze you out though? So we're below the VWAP. We need to be on the same charts. Where else can we go? Where else? I mean, the next thing would be, in the next demand zone is huge. Holy shit. Does it want to come down even more? When are we gonna stop bleeding out? Let me go to the 30 minute. Oh, we can come down here to that 6353. Oh, it touches another demand zone. Okay. On the 30 minute chart is where I had to look for it. Couldn't see it on the 15 minute chart. And Cody, for some reason, over the past few weeks, I have changed my whole style of trading. What I've been trying to do is not just scalp all the time and try to hold on to like good trades a lot longer. It's a battle that I've been fighting with for over a year. Because internally, I am a scalper, and I don't really like to be in the market for very long. I like to put on size and grab that pump and then get out. But this summer it's just not working for me. So what I tried to do is switch up and go into holding trades longer, and it hasn't really played out. Where do we have some interest at? Let's try the 1 hour. She is going down. Downtown. We got another pivot at 63.52. Man, are we just sitting right there in that one demand zone? It's tough to hold it out, and you tell yourself it's reversing on you, but yeah, I think we had to adapt to what the market's providing, and once we get a couple of years under our belts, it'll be easier to recognize those conditions and how to size just right for that type. True, true, true. Come all the way down here. That'd be crazy. Cody, you feel like this thing's gonna bleed out even more, or? I've seen where some traders have like a setup extra, and I've always just tried one. That doesn't work out always. Yeah, we definitely are at the low of the week. Shit. Dude, we're at the low of last Wednesday on the 23rd. Dude, all of my alerts are starting to go off on my phone. It's gonna take it high, then the low, next day go run up, tag the high, make a lower low, next day gap up, trade up, then make a lower low, so who knows. Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour. I feel like that 340, if we can come down 11 more points on the ES, we might have a decent trade. Yeah, NQ's been aggravating the shit out of me, so I think I'm gonna move on to something else at the moment. What is that bouncing off of? Oh, I see, I see. We gonna get a buy right here? I haven't even looked at NQ. Let's see. MAQ. Let's see what's going on. Oh, it's just doing what ES is doing. It's identical to ES. You know, I'd really like to, I'm already late to the party though. I'd like to short this market. I feel like it just wants to keep on going lower, and then probably like at 12, 1, maybe 3 o'clock, maybe to start pushing back up. You just can't read anything with this right now. let it come down again. I mean, we're just sitting in this pocket right here. What is gold? So is it CG? Nope. Oh, it shows, oh, GC. We bounced right there on gold. So we bounced one time, two times, swiped it, and now it's going back up. How many points is gold? Isn't that, or how much is gold? Just a regular contract. Isn't that 20 bucks? 15 or 20 bucks per point? So it went up, went down. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, we should. Shit, maybe I need to go over to gold real quick. Let's go look at gold. Holy shit. That does not look like what I was looking for. I guess it is. That looks crazy. I think I'm on the wrong shit. The GC. There we go. Hey man, I'll be right back in a bit. Alright man. Appreciate you showing up. Which one to trade? Do we trade gold or do we trade you know what? Let's put on a gold trade. Even though there's a pivot right there and it rejected. It's probably gonna come right back down. Touch that VWAP. We'll be patient, we'll be patient. Let's see. Boom. Got that one. Oh, which one to trade? ES or gold? Which one? Which one? I think we're gonna trade ES. Even though we got wrecked by it today. I like how it's swiped. Alright, we're in. Come on, ES. Let's go. Alright guys, we're in a trade right now. One contract on ES. Ooh, I don't like the way they rejected off that VWAP. We're just going to take our $12. Did not like the way that that rejected off the VWAP. ES is not moving now. So I'm kind of glad I got out of that trade. She just doesn't want to go anywhere tonight. I mean, we're sitting in a demand zone. I guess there's just no volume at the moment, but I mean, come on. Alright guys, if you're watching, just make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel grow. It's much appreciated. Shit, almost hit the wrong button. Almost ended the stream. I'm glad I got out of that trade. ES just does not want to take off, so that tells me the NQ is not going to go anywhere either at the moment. Back down here at the bottom again, and I like the way that it's swiped, but now it's coming back to retest that pivot point. So my theory is at 63.54.50, if we can come and swipe that again, we should be bullish and start heading back upwards, but I've been wrong all day, so today was not my day. In one account it was, but it's one of those days that you just want to forget about. I like the way that's bouncing. Come on, come back down, swipe it, and then we'll take the trade. I mean, we could go lower. What is that? 15 minute? Let me look. Let me make sure one more time. Let's go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, man, we swiped that. We swiped that pivot point, almost came into the next demand zone. Maybe it does want to come down to that next demand zone and then pop back up. I don't know, that 1 hour candle's been getting sucked back up. 328. That's, what is that, 20 points away? You could take little scalps right here. All right, guys, we're in. If this starts going in the wrong way quickly, we'll just get out. Well, let's see. All we need is a little push up. We can scalp that. Oh, hell yeah. We got an easy $80 out of that one. So I think we're up. That was a nice little scalp, 80 bucks. I mean, where else can you make 80 bucks in less than a minute? If we can get above that VWAP, I'd be interested in actually holding along, but at the moment we're just ranging. So we're ranging even in the 5-minute chart. We're ranging from 63.60 to 63.54, so about 6 points on the ES. We're ranging. Oh man, I'm tired today. And then on the ES, on the 15-minute chart, we still are in a red candle and still underneath the VWAP. So we have not seen any bullish momentum yet. We are just barcoding. If I could get this thing to push, if I can get this next candle to push down really quick, I'll take a little sniper trade. And we're in. Ooh. Alright, we're only $25 down right now. 37, 62, 87, 75, 50. Come on. Let's go, ES. Just needed to pop up. That wasn't exactly where I wanted to be filled, but there we go. Come on. Let's go, ES. Come on, we're just trying to get a little sniper trade right here. Just get a few points, get out of the trade. And we're out, guys. Hell yeah. Well, that was a good little trade. Oh yeah, sniped that one. We're up $140 in the past 10 minutes. Not bad, not bad. Man, if we'd held on to it a little bit longer, we probably could have got 100 out of that one. Oh no, now the 15-minute chart is starting to look bullish. We need to get above the VWAP for it to start pushing. Need to get the EMAs to cross a little bit, but it might be too late to the party whenever you start. Let's go to the 2-minute chart. Alright, so she's trying to break above the VWAP. What y'all think about my cup? Look at that. Got some monster in there. Only the white monster though. So we came, bounced in that demand zone a lot. We'll see if she'll come back again. I mean, you start getting some volume right here, they'll just push it up. And if we could push it up to that 63.75, that would be great. If we can just get right above the VWAP, I'll take that trade. But it keeps rejecting off the VWAP. We might just sit here in a range for a little bit. I definitely don't want to buy at the top of a range though. That's the hard part about trading, especially at nighttime. I can't really see the volume. I mean, I can, but it's so little that it's not even really showing up on my screen, so there we go. So it rejected off the VWAP, and glad that we didn't take that trade. Let it pull back a little bit. Alright, so just bounce off the EMA. It's just bouncing in between that EMA, what is that, the 21 EMA and the VWAP. Oh man, I keep yawning. So are we gonna get above that VWAP or no? Or are we just gonna sit here? At least we're starting to get some action now. So let me draw this. Is it going to respect this tonight? If it comes and bounces right here, come and touch this pivot again, it should just rocket straight up. Just need to come down, bounce, go up. So we just need to come down, retest this, maybe come up, maybe come down again, and then or it just blows straight through it. So we're gonna have some trouble breaking through this resistance. It'll probably do it later tonight. It's definitely not gonna do it in the next like hour and a half unless some crazy news happens. Oh man. Hey guys, if you're in the stream, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps out the channel. So now we just got to sit back and be patient. We can go look at, let's look at NQ real quick. What the fuck? So NQ looks just like ES at the moment. I mean, they look like they're about to just, they're like on a launch pad about to just rocket straight up. So we didn't swipe up above that VWAP. We're coming back down a little bit. So that's kind of what we're looking for. We can come bounce off of our trend line right here. If we can do that, oh, there we go, there we go. So it broke through the trend line. I'm not going to take that trade. That would be more like a short at the moment. No. There she goes. Just not liking this price action right here. That would have worked out if I would have took that trade, but it broke through my trend line so fast. Well, this is part of the game. You miss trades, you talk about it, you miss it, but you cannot FOMO in. So that would have been a great little trade. Shit, it sucks that we missed that. Kind of got scared away. Thought it was just gonna go dump. Let's go look at ES again on the 15. What is gold doing? So we missed that trade. Let's go look at gold. Gold is dumping. So let's look at it on the 15-minute chart. So it's coming back down into, shoot, if gold can come down back into that demand zone from last night, I'd probably buy this. Or it's just ranging at the moment, so. All right, back on ES. Put it on a 5-minute chart. Alright, so now we're back above that VWAP. Is she gonna go through it or no? Man, that would have been a great trade. I even called it. So, it's a nice little demand zone. I just don't want to take this trade right here because I was talking about taking it at 6355 and I missed it. So, I mean, do I want to buy one and kind of FOMO into it? Yeah, I think we all do. So, because I can see it going all the way to 63.73 or 63.74, and then let's look at it. Let's get a better view. If she comes and bounces off that VWAP, that might be the trade, I guess. I mean, we're already up for the day. We're up $140. Made that in about 2 minutes worth of trading, so that's great. I need this to come back down though so we can get into this trade. Because if we FOMO in right here, we all know what's going to happen. We're going to get a red candle coming back down. It's going to hit my trend line, and then it's going to sit here and barcode all the way back up. I'm going to be in a shitty trade for a while. So, just sit back and be patient. See what it wants to do. So now we just went through the VWAP. Yep, so now we're bouncing off of the EMAs. Let's see what this next 2 minute candle is about to form. So let's see if it can come back. We really wanted to hit this 63.57. Oh, there it is. See how that big red candle happened? Come on. Here, we're gonna place an order right here and see if it gets hit. See if it swipes it again. Nope. It's gonna leave without us. Come on, come back down. It hit the 63.57, but I had mine at 63.56.50. Oh man. Don't leave without us. Let me pull up my 15-minute chart. Make it bigger. Alright, I'm glad we didn't FOMO into that one. There we go. Nice. 63.58. See what it does when it hits this trend line. Might be able to get into a trade. We don't want to wipe away everything that we made though, so come on, give me a strong red candle so I can buy it up. Oh man, it's just not coming down far enough. Well, I guess if I put my trend line there, it did bounce off my trend line, so. So, we missed 2 trades right there. It's alright. There's always a trade. Sometimes when you're looking for a trade, you will find a trade, and it's not the trade you wanted. Oh man, now she's gonna try to take off. She's leaving without us. Man, I can't get into this right now, even though I want to. Yeah, we got some volume coming in. I'm glad I didn't FOMO into that. Look at that candle. All right. I need it to come down to 63.58. Or, yep, 63.58. It's just staircasing up. Or is this? So, built that. So 63.57. Man, I was so right on that. But it's okay. Let's see what gold is doing again. Gold is going down. If we can get, well, if we can get it to tap into this demand zone, I'm gonna put a add alert. Oh shit, I got a lot of alerts. I don't know why, but I've been trading a lot better at nighttime than I do during the daytime. Which is crazy. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for this trade. We're gonna see if it'll play out. Why am I missing that? Oh, there we go. Shit. I was looking down. And we're in, guys. We're back in. Is it going to respect this trend line, or is it going to go down? Come on, I just need like another $75 for the day. Damn. Broke my trend line. Oh, come back up. We're holding on to the sell button in case we gotta dump it. We're either going to see a winning trade or a loser. This one might be a loser. It's breaking through the trend line. We're going to hold on to it for a minute. See what happens. Man, she sure does want to push down hard again. There it goes. And she's about to wipe us out for what we've already made for today. Oh, come back. And so now we're underneath our trend line. It needs to push up really hard for me to stay into this trade, or we're going to get out. Yep. We're out. That sucks. We're still up on the day. Hey, it's part of the game though. This thing, I've been fighting this battle all day long. It just wants to go down, go down, go down. When everything is screaming that it needs to go back up. It's probably going to do it late tonight. So. Well, I'm glad we got out of that trade. We could have flipped it, but we can make that back quickly. wants to come down. But this could be manipulation. We are in Asia time right now, so Asia market is open. But we are in a strong demand zone, so that's what had me bullish. Just trying to take these little snipes. Where's she gonna go? Oh, we're gonna get this money back. I've been looking for a trade that I can hold for a little bit, but so we came up, touched that, came up, touched that, came down. Now we're coming back down again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Nah. It's still weak. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's see what that looks like. Oh man, it put me in a bad spot. Oh. Hell yeah. 70 bucks right there. It got us back. It got us back. Oh man. If I would have held on to that a little bit longer, we would have got that full 100 back. So, we're only down 30 bucks. I could tell they were just trying to manipulate the market. I didn't trust it fully though. Should have held on to that one a little bit longer. But like I said, we're just doing quick little snipes. I don't see anything that I can hold on to for 30 minutes to an hour. I don't know if we can get above that EMA though. She's gonna go straight up. Guys, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really does help the channel. Is that what I'm missing? Let's see. Four hours ago. Why can't I see that? Yeah, she is just barcoding. all these spam calls always calling me. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe button, guys. All right. Oh, brother. Fuck. I did not take that trade. So either it's ranging or it's about to break out. So we have a pretty big range at 63.54 all the way up to the 63.63. So about a 10-point range, which is a lot of money on the ES. So oh man. Just started trading the ES today. Normally we trade the NQ, but haven't been doing that lately. So we rejected out that EMA. Yep, we're just ranging. Come on. Come back down. Let's go back and see what gold is doing. GC. Everything just wants to go down. Alright. Not interested in the gold. Yes. Let's go to an hourly. We started that new hour candle. Oh, she's definitely bullish. But don't want to buy it right here. We could have a pullback. Alright. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? So we're just ranging in between the BWAP and the 21 EMA. I mean, it's trying to break through. I'm just not having any luck. strong candle. Come on. Well, that 1 hour candle was looking strong. Oh, it popped back up. Popped right back up whenever I took the trade. What bullshit. Alright guys, we're in. We're back in. This one might wipe us out. Should have waited about 15 more seconds. We would have got a better entry. We're just trying to play this trend line. But we didn't get in on a good, we have a terrible entry. So if we can get out of this, that'd be great. A nice bullish candle would be awesome. Alright, so we're back to break even. Almost just want to get out. Just at break even. 12.50. We're just going to close it because it was a bad entry. I did not like that entry at all. So we're back up. So I'm gonna set a buy order down here. We're just going for little quick little snipes tonight, guys. Quick little snipes. But we're up over $100. We're risking a lot for a little, which is ultimately not the best way, but it's just barcoding. So we're just trying to get these quick little snipes in here, get in and out, make $50 to $100 off of each one of them, and we'll close it up for the day. We can just come down, swipe my little buy order, and then go all the way back up. We can catch an easy $200-300 trade. I'd be happy with that. I mean, but we're just bouncing around in this demand zone. We got a lot of buyers down here. I'm just surprised that they haven't already tried to push it up. See, that was a great candle right there. We're just consolidating. I think we're just still playing in this range. I think we can still come down a little bit. And then on the 1 hour, I mean, we are looking bullish on the 1 hour. So, 1 hour. 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 1 hour just have to see. Gotta give us another entry. All right. I mean, I would like to place a trade right here on this VWAP. Could go against us for a little bit though. High, low. Oh, that's a lower high. I didn't break above. See on the 15. I mean, she looks bullish. Shit, hit the wrong button. Yeah, guys, we are just barcoding. We are not breaking out. We are not doing shit. I mean, eventually she's gonna break out and goes either down or up. I mean, it looks like it wants to go up. So, need to come back down, retest. Oh, you gotta be so patient with ES. I mean, should we just place the trade and let it play out? I just hate to do that. So now we're sitting on top of the VWAP on the 2-minute chart. I don't like that wick right there. I'd hate to buy right here and then it just comes right back down to that trend line, because that's what it's been doing. So I've seen this a million times. So it's either gonna break down really hard or we're gonna start pumping here in a bit. But we're gonna find the trade. We don't know which one it's gonna be. But we're up $127, so that's positive. See how it's bouncing off of that right there. So we have some sellers, or that's just the algos playing off right there. Hopefully this isn't just gonna like slow tick upwards all night long. Need some strong movement. See, I'm glad I didn't take that trade right there. This is why you don't FOMO in whenever it starts going up. Also, if you put the right indicators, it'll help out a lot, so. Fucking shit, man, I can't stop yawning. So we had some volume in that first hour. Now it just died off. Which direction are we gonna go? She's being stingy. Just needs to pop up. Go take out that 63.73 and we'll be good. Hey, but that took forever to get my dang pizza. You wanna know what the crazy thing is? I used to own pizza joints. I used to own Italian restaurants. Yep. I owned a place called Gambino's Pizza. There was a location in Burleson, which is a little bit south of Fort Worth, off of Highway 35. And then we had one in Cypress, Texas. Oh, Milano's, because I'm about to write a review. So there's Milano's where there's two Milano's where I live. Well, they're on each side of the lake. Oh, you know Burleson? Yeah. We're supposed to be done at 6:11. Do you ever come into like near Athens? If so, I'll send you to a place that you'd probably like. It's more like a New York style pizza. Really good. Their ovens are amazing. They use like it's not a brick oven. It's more it's like a stone top, but probably the best pizza around the lake. This one was super busy. I'm just teasing and not complaining. Dude, Milano's. There's a good one in Gun Barrel. And then there's a good one, I think on the other side of the lake over in Kemp. I didn't know they had more locations though. I have a realtor friend that lives there. Oh, cool. Never had it and about to try. It's a good pizza, man. They use conveyor belts for their ovens though. And once you've had like brick oven or stovetop, like New York style pizza out of those ovens, man, can't ever go back. But I do like their ranch. I haven't had Milano's in like, God, probably at least a year now. New York pizza in New York, and it was. Yeah, I mean, you have to like that that crisp at the bottom because they use brick ovens and those like stone gas ovens. And then if they ferment their dough, that's what makes it really good. Thinking about taking a trade right here. See if we can get a push up. So that would be a push up. We can get past this 63, 63. So what's going down on the TikTok, man? Anything exciting? Just a bunch of lives going on. Got manicotti, however you spell that, and not good. That sucks, man. You know, I'm a pretty simple, but you bet I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, you can't let it go to waste. I usually get there, I'm a simple pizza eater, but I mean, I like strombolis and calzones and stuff like that, but I'm real simple with my food that if you fuck up my pizza, you suck. Usually it's just hamburger and jalapeno or pepperoni and jalapeno, and sometimes I like a supreme, it depends on the place. But yeah, you really suck if you fuck my pizza up. It's like the simplest pizza to make. Milano's has actually fucked up some pizzas before. It depends on which Milano's you go to. Like the one over in Kemp, decent. Or no, sucks. The one over near Gun Barrel, not too bad. Different owners. I think there's like 3 Milano's around the lake. Dude, I've been itching to go to the lake this week, but I can't. My damn truck. I think I get my truck back tomorrow. Oh, there we go. Alright, we're in. Quick little snipe. Ah, I knew it was going to push down harder. I'm gonna buy a boat. Boats are expensive, man. Summer's almost over. That's probably the best time to buy a boat. You can get it cheap. So are jet skis though, you know? Dude, I might have to sell this if it tries to go down anymore. Oh, come on. Come on, right there at my entry. Alright, we're gonna take that 25. It might be a little bit more. Oh yeah. We got 25 out of that one. Look at this quick little scalping, man. We're up 150 right now. That was kind of a risky trade though. I don't know why, but I feel like I trade better at nighttime. I used to suck trading at nighttime. Dude, I'm getting all these messages from these people sharing lives and stuff. I've been getting them for like 2 or 3 days. Hey, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go grab a beer. I feel like having a beer. I don't really drink very often, but I really want a beer for some reason. I got some Modelo. Dude, I don't know if you drink, but I don't drink very often. I literally would tell you I have 2 beers in my fridge. But you gotta try Modelo Ranch Water. I don't know what you said right there. I'll be back in like 2 seconds though. I'm gonna grab me a ranch water. Literally making a Jack and Dr. Pepper right now. Jack and Dr. Pepper. Dude, that actually sounds pretty good. I had to get me a ranch water. These things are so good. They're addicting, and they will get you in trouble because they go down like water almost, and you'll get really fucked up off of them. So when we go to the lake, I have the. You ever heard of the shitty coolers? It's like a backpack cooler. They're called shitty coolers. My wife bought one, and we take that with us, and we'll go over to like the beach area, put the jet skis right there, hang out by the water. And usually after I'm done jet skiing, or if we're like kneeboarding or wakeboarding or whatever, I'll sit on the beach area and just get a little lit. So only on the weekends though. And then my kiddo, he's 15, so he can drive. So, no drinking and driving. Oh man, it's awesome. I gotta try that ranch water. Yeah, so it's called Modelo Ranch Water. They come in little 6-packs. Pretty awesome. I need a chauffeur. Hey dude, I got a buddy that owns a limo company. Actually, he bought a limo company like a few months ago. He could be your chauffeur, man. Just gotta start making some more trades. Dude, I was so about to take this trade, but I thought it was gonna go lower, and look at it. It just sucked right back up. Damn. Yeah, we're just ranging. But I'll get there. Not this week, though. I actually need to just stop trading this week, but I might just trade a combine. I have to check my Tradeday and see. Here, let me open up this other window. I need to see how bad I fucked up that account. So what makes you do Dr. Pepper with Jack instead of Coke? It's very rare that someone drinks Jack and Dr. Pepper. Let's see if I got liquidated. Oh no, I still got an account. They just shut me off. Hell yeah, I still have my live account. Fuck yeah. Oh, that trade went so bad they just like, it's like they margin called me or something. Oh, dude, I was so pissed earlier because I was like, man, I blew my account. Oh, yeah, I hit my weekly loss limit. I still have $708 in that account. So I guess I'll be doing micros on that funded account. Fuck yeah, dude, I didn't blow the account. Hell yeah. That makes me a lot happier, because I was fucking upset today. Oh my god, I poured a little heavy, laugh out loud. These lives gonna be lit. Hell yeah, man. I feel better now. My wife was a little bit worried about me earlier. I had to take her to work. Because we only have 2 cars and my truck's at the dealership, so she goes to work at like 1:30, 2 o'clock. My wife's an RN, and then she owns her own. Oh, dude, I've never shown you this shit. I help my wife out with her business. My wife also owns a. You ever heard of Ethica or PSD? You know, the like boxer companies that come with like cool designs, stuff like that. I want to show you something. Hold on. Are these the Moto socks? a certain design, you'll think it's fucking cool as shit. Where the fuck are the what? Oh yeah. Hold on. So I gotta remember what drawer that goes into. Alright, it goes in right there. Alright. Let me make sure I can see so I can show you. You still here? Okay. So my wife owns a company called Alpha. She makes moto socks and boxer briefs. She competes with Ethica and PSD. But tell me, those aren't cool as shit. So she designed these for motocross racers, athletes. She sells these things all around the world. And so I help her package them up in the morning. We ship them out. She goes to a lot of motocross races, sets up her big alpha tent. But it's just a little side business that she's had for about 2 years. And, you know, our son races motocross. So while he's racing, she's making money. Yeah, Cody, I'll send you a DM and I'll send you a discount code with a link to the website. So she hand makes this. So we have the manufacturing facility is not in the States. We get it made at the same manufacturer that makes Ethica and PSD. We just change the percentage of the material by like 2%. And so, but no, she designs them, does all the graphic design, and then she puts it all together and then sends it off to the manufacturer. No, so right now it's getting manufactured and we used to be in China, but now the tariffs are too expensive. So now she is in Sri Lanka is our new manufacturer, and that's where like Ethica and PSD got made also. So the manufacturing facilities moved. Same manufacturer, just a different building, different country. So she just got a new shipment in. China was where I manufactured from. Yeah, so we were for the past like year, everything was getting manufactured in China. And then recently we got a new shipment in, and now we get it from Sri Lanka. Most of our shit comes from Sri Lanka, like just in general. The clothes you're wearing, probably from Sri Lanka or China. So, but yeah, man. But I'm telling you, like all kinds of designs, man. I mean, look at these money ones. Hold on. What is up with my camera? Gold, money, dollar bills. Y'all doing the most? Hey man, we're just always trying to make a buck, you know? So, and she makes the moto socks. So, but man, I'll send you a link to her website and send you like a big discount code. So, I don't know if you wear boxer briefs or boxers or whatever, but they're pretty awesome, comfortable. I just gotta get the discount code from her. So. But yeah, so just another business that we run. Yeah. So we just compete with Ethica and PSD. You know, obviously they're way bigger. They've been in business. I know the old owner of Ethica. He sold it a few years ago, and now he started another company. So yeah. Let me pull it up. Should be Alpha Moto Apparel. Let me see. She's bigger on like Instagram and Facebook, but I keep telling her she needs to spend more time on TikTok. But she does really well at like all the races and stuff. So yep. So it is Alpha at Alpha Moto Apparel. All together. ALPHAMOTOAPPAREL. So you can actually buy on TikTok. I think she has a TikTok shop. But I can send you a code, man. Give you a big discount if you're interested. So I was just showing you though. Just small chat. Oh dude, you followed her. That's awesome. Appreciate that. Yeah. She doesn't really work hard on it though. You gotta think, so the motocross community is a very small community. And when I say small, it's not like baseball or football, you know, so she's very well known in the industry already and has a lot of support from all of the racers. So that kind of keeps her business alive a lot. So she can go on a weekend, do a couple of $1,000s while my kiddo races, and that pays for his racing, and she gets to make some money. So yeah, you know, now I'm looking at it on TikTok. I don't know if she has. Does she have her new stuff there? Business shop. So the moto socks. Some of these are the older ones. I think that's the reason they're priced better. Yeah, she doesn't even have all of her new products on there. So you could go to alphamotoapparel.com, and that's where you'll see like all the new products. I told her she just needs to sit there and go live on TikTok, and I guarantee she'll sell a lot more. Oh, I think she has 2 Trump ones. So this is the second order of the Trump ones, and I don't know. I think she'd do a lot better if she would start doing lives on TikTok. She'd probably kill it. But the ones I showed you are the new Trump ones. So those usually go pretty quick, you know, because he's president. So, you know. I know I keep telling her that, but shit, I might have to go live for her. Might have to do it myself. those creators are making bank like minimum of 20K. I know, that's what I keep telling her. I keep telling her that. I swear, I'm just gonna get on her page and go live and then just see what happens. I mean, if you never see me live again, you know what happened. Started making bank on TikTok lives with Alpha Moto apparel. I know, right? Dude, you know, this is gonna be, I think this is my 18th video that's about to go on YouTube. It's a grind, that's for sure. I think I need to start going live in the mornings. Well, I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades. We made $150. And I'm fucking excited I did not blow my funded account. So I need to get in the shorts game. Hey, shorts are, I figured that if I was putting out enough shorts that would grow the channel a little bit more. It hasn't completely worked out, but we'll see. Just gotta keep at it. So if you cross-reference your shorts with like some of your previous shorts, dude, just take all of your videos and start putting them in shorts on YouTube. Take your TikTok videos and just go put them as shorts. So you start getting into that algorithm. I do, but they don't go in as shorts. Oh, are they past so many minutes? You need to shorten them down a little bit. Cut them up, chop them up. Like during this live, I have another video that I can make from yesterday's live. And then I have probably like one or two from today. You know what I've been trying to figure out is, you know that voice, the Jesse voice from TikTok that you can put in to like talk for you? I usually was putting in like at the beginning of each video. I wonder if that's even still popular, because some people say it works, some people say it doesn't. So for the past like 2 days I haven't been using it, but I'm just trying to change up videos. Look at ES dumping, man. Look at it dumping. Holy shit. Where is the next demand zone? I mean, we're in it. We're We're in the damn demand zone. The next one is gonna be, fuck. Well, I guess that's not too far away. I put one that was like 15 seconds, but it's sitting as a video. What? Well, yeah, my chart's frozen, so it must be big moves. You just went straight to the upload and it didn't try to turn it into a short. If you look in the the first time I posted a video on YouTube, I thought it was like 1 minute and 10 seconds. And I was like, oh, it's gonna turn it into a video. Then I looked at the like the HTTP, and it said shorts underneath the video, and I was like, okay, I guess it's gonna put it in the shorts category. I did it from my desktop. Yeah, it should still work though. That's what I do all my stuff on. Are we gonna come tap into this other demand zone down here? That's where all my vids live, but it never gives me an option to upload as a short. But on my phone it does. That's wild. Mine always just go as shorts. Actually, I post a TikTok, then I take it from TikTok and put it into, what is it called? Like Snap Tick or Snap. It's not CapCut, because that's where I make the videos. But it's called something, and what it does, it gets rid of that watermark, the TikTok watermark. Dude, I was debating on going live on YouTube or if I was going to do it live on TikTok. Tonight. That was what I was debating on. Oh yeah. I know there's a part of me that just wants to push the TikTok and be like that one creator and just buy it and then move on. And then just start doing lives. I hate to do that though, because it can really mess up your algorithm. And I found out today from looking, once I did get approved to use TikTok Live Studio on my desktop, I still have to do 3 lives from that to be able to share my screens. So at least another week probably. Oh wow. Look at ES trying to fake out right there. Like it was gonna dump. Let's see how many followers I got now on TikTok. Oh. I got like 9 notifications. 21 notifications. Holy shit. No, we're at 60. Dude, did you notice that earlier I took that video down, reposted it? That video, the first time I posted it, it only got 30 views. So I was like, you know what? I came across a video yesterday of this dude. I guess it's like a, and that's a normal group to go to. I guess it's like a, I don't know, something you can add to your TikTok or whatever, but he was basically saying to take the TikTok down if it didn't get enough views and then just repost it. So I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna take it down. It only got 30 views. I spent 2 hours editing that video and I only got 30 fucking views. So took it down, put it back up. Now I got 242 views. So it actually worked. I took it down like at 3 o'clock and then reposted it again. So if you see some of your videos, oh, it worked out, man. Because I've been averaging about 250 to 300 views on each video. And one of them just got 30 today. I posted it at lunchtime, like around 12:15, 12:20. 30 fucking views. I was like, that's bullshit. So I took that thing down, reposted it, and it worked out. Well, Cody, it is 7:35. I've been on there for 2.5 hours. I appreciate the delay is real on YouTube as far as chat. That is... I need to go into my settings and see how far... See if I can change that to just make it like... I try and type fast. Yeah, I think the delay is like 5 or 10 seconds. Alright, Cody. Yeah, well, enjoy the rest of your water beer. Alright, brother. I'm gonna get out of here, man. It's been fun. We made some money. Appreciate you coming into the chat, hanging out. Go in that live and post something like trying to get to 100. And they'll scoop you up. So hold on. Just go in the live and post something like trying to get to 100. You like literally post that? Trying to get to 100 followers? Hold on before you leave. I know the thing is behind. Yeah, there's a... Even if you say that. Shit, I'm gonna go into a bunch of them tonight and say that. Those exact words. Go in the live and post something like trying to get to 100. They'll see your message, be able to click and follow you there. And they will want you to follow back. I always follow them back. But if that's all it takes, I should just type trying to get to 100 followers. That's what I did today, and I've gotten over 50 today. God damn! Fucking shit. Why didn't you tell me this, Cody? This thing is way behind. Oh, now it's caught up. That's what I did today, and I've gotten over 50. Ha ha ha. Alright, brother. I told you not to do what I'm doing because some of the people you'll see are, what you about to say, crazy? Are politically speaking here. Oh, not my cup of tea. Yeah. Alright, Cody. I think I'm gonna get out of here, man. Like I said, I appreciate you showing up again. You're OG, man. Really do appreciate it. You hanging out is helping out, so I will see you in the morning, man, or chat with you in the morning. Alright, see you in the rooms. Alright, brother. Have a good one, man. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get off. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Everyone have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.